Hello guys, so today we will talk about how to create a point-to-point link between two sites when you are using TP-Link Paros devices or any Ubiquiti devices which are used to create a link between the two sites. So first of all, you should know some basic points while installing the sites. So in order to calculate the height of the antenna and to know which kind of antenna you are going to use while creating the link, we are going to discuss it today. So first of all, you have to go to the Google and you have to find link planner, Ubiquiti link planner, and in that you have to click on link. So you have to either enter the coordinates, which you can get with the help of Google Earth, or know your location. You can enter your location, that is Jalandhar, or any location where you want to install the site. In my case, it's my location. So here you can see that there are coordinates being shown under the Jalandhar. These are the latitudes and longitudes of the site. So let us create a link. So this is how we create the links. These are the two sites. So suppose I want to put a site on this latitude and longitude. This is the latitude and longitude which you have to find out with the help of Google Earth app on your mobile phones. So you have to zoom in. So these are the sites which we are able to see. In order to know which site you have to install, you should do the site survey before you install the site. So here I know that this is the location where I want to put the antenna A. Now we will move to the other site, which is placed at 1.38 kilometers away. So this is the second site. So here we go, and this is the near the hotel. So the latitude and longitudes of the other site are also visible, and now we select the device which we are going to use. So this is the Light Beam 5 AC, which is available from Ubiquiti. So these devices are almost similar to the devices which we use in TP-Link also. So you go to the website of TP-Link CPE, and this is the latest device which has been launched by TP-Link, that is CPE 710. The advantage of this is that it is having one 1 gigabit LAN port, so you will get better speeds, but better transmitting speeds. So these are the three devices which are available. You can choose in between. You can also adjust the tilt of and the azimuth of the antenna. So the channel width in this case is 40 megahertz, but in case of CP 710, it's 80 megahertz. And one thing more is that you should be aware that the line of sight of the two antennas should be clear. There should be no obstruction in between the two antennas. So let us say there is an obstruction in between here. So the problem which you will face is that you will get less ping and the speed will also get reduced. So the line of sight should be clear and the fresnel zone should not be obstructed by any of the building or mountain or whatever the obstruction is there in between the two sides. So the line of sight should be clear while transmitting your signals. So you can select any Ubiquiti device, and these devices are having high gain, and the more the gain of the antenna, the more it has the power to transmit the signals. So as I have already told you that you have to get the coordinates with the help of Google Earth. Google Earth will help you to get the exact location where you want to install the antenna. Thank you.